what's up, Detroit? Shit. I said, what's up, Detroit? Do y'all mind if I take a motherfucking drink on this motherfucking stage? Shit. Man, ain't no telling what the fuck we gonna do on this motherfucking stage tonight, but we gonna have some fun in this motherfucker, I'll tell you that. Shit. Anybody got a drink? Y'all drink with me. Shit, fuck it. Let's, God damn. A toast to all y'all in the motherfucking house. Shit. I know I'm doing a motherfucking show, but I mean this shit. That's real. We having a ball in this bitch. So check this out, Detroit. Where's all my motherfucking hustlers at? I see you right there with the rag on your head. You right there. Her standing next to you. I said, where's all my motherfucking hustlers at? If you a hustler, you're getting your motherfucking money, put your hands up in the air like this. Cause this is for everybody taking care of their families, y'all. And I mean that shit.